What are they doing?
I've never seen anything like it,
They're
honey.
cutting the tree down.
Keith, no, they're fighting. I've never seen anything like this. Keith, I am so glad
Hurry, Joes, hurry. Hurry, hurry.
I've got it on film. I've never seen anything like this.
Come here. Look at the skinny tree.
You'll never see this again. You'll never see this again. You'll never see... There we go. Guys. Yeah, one flew away.
There were two of them.
Yeah, I saw them both with my own eyes.
I have never seen anything like that in my life.
Cool. Is that crazy?
Yeah.
I saw a big bird fly by. I was like, yeah, there's a bird sitting there. It's awful big.
I don't believe this.
That's good. We got Pileated.
I want you to see it. Sorry. There were two of them sitting there on the opposite sides, pecking like this, like they were fighting.
That's so cool.
I'm going to run down to McDonald's later. Do you want a Big Mac?
Oh, that sounds great. Thanks.
Done.